Go the wild, wild, wild Kratts.
Any creature adventuring plans for the day?
Nope, just chillaxing.
Great plan.
Hear that? Why does the toilet keep flushing? Think it's time for a tune-up. We're way overdue. I've got to run diagnostics on all Tortuga functions, including plumbing. Plumbing, navigation, flight systems, hydraulics, cooling, stabilizers, generators, voltage, regulators, control bolts.
Oh, and I'm trying to make pizza.
Well, you're both at it. I guess I can clean up my invention station.
Oh, good luck with that.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was a wolf owl.
Well, we're in the range of Little Howler's wolf pack. Martin, should we go check on Little Howler?
Great idea, Chris. Which way do you think the wolves are? Ow! Why did this raven drop a piece of wood on my head?
I don't know. Ravens are rascally.
She hit me on purpose.
Maybe, but she's friendly.
Hey, I know why. She's trying to tell us where the wolves are. We should follow her.
Follow her? Very funny. She doesn't know.
See? She's telling us she knows where the wolves are.
No way, that's just a coincidence. I know ravens are incredibly smart, and they can learn to make all kinds of sounds, but... A flushing toilet? It was the raven. She drinks Cokie.
Now she's laughing like us.
Whoa, these ravens are amazing. They can mimic more sounds than almost any creature in the creature world.
Come on, Chris, this raven will take us to Little Howler's wolf pack.
I don't think this raven is actually taking us to the wolves, but I do want to do an adventure with ravens and learn more about them. Wait up!